If you want to know the absolute best offer you need to be offering to get all the patients you need, you're going to want to come back. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Ginger Bratzel, and I am the author of Secrets to Creating a Prosperous Dental Practice and the creator of the New Patient Attraction Automation System. You can find me over at gingerbratzel.com. And I'm here every week sharing strategies, tips, and proven techniques to grow your practice. And the question I get all the time, either in live events when we're teaching students or in my mastermind events, or someone who's new to us and they're coming about, almost right at the beginning, they say, well, Ginger, what should I be offering? What's the best offer to get the most patients? Should I do whitening? Should I do this? Should I do that? What's the best thing? And I appreciate that question. It means you're excited about growing forward. But my answer honestly is I don't know. And the reason I don't know is because it's based on no data. You see, every practice is different, every population is different, and every patient pool is different. So without that insight and to know what's valuable to your patients, that's the best offer. What's valuable to them, it won't make a difference. So how do we find that out? We ask them. So we've taught our students how to go through and survey and poll officially and unofficially, how to be students of seeing what people really want. What are their main objections? Because if you solve what their problems are, that's what they want. The offer that solves their problem. So who are you going after? And it might be 50 different things. So you have to decide where you need to be focusing first. So we ask unofficially the patients and the prospects. And so we go through and talk about how to ask questions in forums and how to get that poll information. In my full schedule formula course, when we release that, we go through the whole technique. And I call it the Oreo technique. And it's the first step of that Oreo technique. Because once we know what they want, it's easy to come up with the best offer. It's not a hard question anymore. So you've got to start with good intel. It's not what you do, it's what you listen to and what they really need. And they're not looking for a dentist, they're looking for the solution to their problem. So the offer who takes care of that is the winning offer. So, I mean, it's that simple, but you got to know that information first. We share techniques and strategies every week, and if you're not on our list already and you haven't received our free report, How to Get All the Patients You Need, make sure you go over to my website at gingerbratzel.com and request that. And if you've already gotten that report and you're ready to take the next level and dive in specifically for your practice, I urge you to check out one of our free our upcoming courses. We have those for exclusive clients, and then also, what about maybe being part of our mastermind and our coaching? Those are for the people who are really serious about growing their practice faster and easier. And that's what we like helping people do who are really dedicated to doing that. So if you're ready to take the next step, go over to gingerbratzel.com and check out what programs we have available for our students and our clients. Take care. Until next time, this is Ginger Bratzel, signing off.